Hi, I'm Jaime Hjelm. I'm from Elgin, Illinois, and I came to Peoria's Riverfront Museum to see the Built American Custom Car Culture exhibit. My background is I've been on Motor Trend's Bitch and Boot Camp from Bitch and Rides, also Tex-Mex Motors on Netflix, season 1 and 2. So I'm used to the custom car culture and building, and fast building at that. I wanted to see the beautiful cars that were here, and being part of the car community is super important to me. I've been in it for decades. We can be very tight-knit. We try to work together. Seeing new cars at different shows, we learn new things from each other. What I love most about the custom car community is their love for their cars and their passion and their creativity, and they turn it into artwork. We all try to help each other, especially with knowledge and parts. So we are a tight-knit community at the end of the day, and I'm proud to be part of it.